In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books. We'll walk through this process together, ensuring that every step is clear and easy to follow. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to get you from the start to finish comfortably within the next few minutes. To begin, open your internet browser of choice. Then, in the search bar, simply type Zoho and press Enter. You'll notice several results popping up in your search. What you're looking for is the official Zoho website, so click on the first link that either has Zoho in the URL or is clearly marked as Zoho's official site. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, you'll want to log in if you already have an account. If not, take a moment to sign up. The registration process is straightforward, and once you're done, proceed by logging in. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the Zoho dashboard. Here, navigate to Zoho Books. This will lead you to the main interface where you'll accomplish all your invoicing tasks. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, locate the Sales module. Click on it, and then head on over to the Invoices section. Now, in the top right corner of the Invoices section, you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots or lines labeled as More. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Import Invoices. Now you'll see the option to choose a file. Click Choose File, and pick the CSV, TSV, or XLS file from your device that contains your invoice data. A quick tip here. Before you proceed, make sure your file is formatted correctly. On the same import page, there's a sample file available for download, which can serve as a helpful guide in ensuring your spreadsheet is correctly structured. Moving on to the next step, under the Configure or Upload File tab, you'll need to set the correct character encoding and file delimiter. Most of the time, the character encoding you need is UTF-8, and the delimiter is a comma, but ensure this matches how your file was saved. Once your file is uploaded, Zoho Books will attempt to automatically map your file's columns to its fields. This step is crucial. Take a moment to verify that all mappings are correct and make any needed adjustments. Ensure that required fields, such as customer name, invoice date, and item price, are accurately aligned. After reviewing the mappings, click Next. Here, you'll have the chance to review your configurations, and if your files follow a consistent pattern, you might see an option to save these import settings for future use. This is really handy if you regularly upload similarly formatted invoices. Finally, to complete the process, click Import. The importing process will then begin, and within moments your invoices should be successfully uploaded into Zoho Books. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to upload invoices in Zoho Books. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you today.